In today's video, we delve into a pressing and often overlooked issue within the renewable energy landscape: the impact of wind farms on bird populations. While wind energy is heralded as a key component in combating climate change, the unseen consequences of whirling turbine blades raise critical questions about our approach to green energy. Join us as we explore the complex relationship between wind farms and avian mortality, the science behind it, and the ongoing efforts to find solutions that prioritize both progress and the preservation of our environment. The rise of wind energy. The global shift to green energy has seen an exponential rise in the number of wind farms. Wind turbines now dot our landscapes, heralding the promise of a sustainable future. Yet, as compelling as this clean energy source is, it carries with it an environmental challenge: its impact on avian life. Enthusiasts of wind energy often highlight its potential to reduce reliance on fossil fuels, presenting a compelling case for its adoption. However, amidst the rotating blades, there lurks a darker side that demands our attention: bird mortality. Understanding this duality between green energy benefits and wildlife impact is crucial as we move towards a sustainable tomorrow. Echoes of whirling blades. Wind turbines, though mighty and impressive, can pose lethal threats to birds. Hundreds of thousands of birds, from small songbirds to majestic raptors, fall victim to turbine blades yearly. Imagine the deadly dance of flying creatures caught unawares in swift blades slicing through the sky. While some species are more vulnerable than others, the unpredictability of turbine placement makes it difficult to determine which avian community will be most affected at any given site. This invisible threat echoes a broader environmental conversation that challenges the harmony of progress and ecology. The science behind bird mortality. Bird mortality at wind farms is not a random event, but a consequence of specific contributing factors. For instance, turbine height plays a significant role as taller turbines intersect with migratory flight paths. Similarly, the placement of turbines in bird-rich habitats exacerbates the problem. Operating in low light conditions further increases risks as birds fly unsuspectingly into the fast-moving blades. Researchers actively study these variables to refine technology and processes that could mitigate such risks. Despite this, the balance between energy efficiency and ecological preservation remains delicate and complex. Looking for solutions. The quest for solutions to the bird mortality issue is ongoing, yet hopeful. Technological advancements strive to make wind energy friendlier to wildlife. Innovations such as smart turbines equipped with sensors to detect and avoid birds and blade color adjustments to improve visibility are under consideration. Other effective strategies include implementing proper site assessments before placing turbines, ensuring they are far from migration routes and nesting grounds. These approaches represent a promising convergence of engineering ingenuity and environmental stewardship, defining new pathways for green energy coexistence. 5. A broader environmental impact. The repercussions of bird mortality by wind farms extend beyond just the biological. Birds play a critical role in ecosystems, acting as pollinators and seed dispersers, among other ecological services. When wind farms disrupt these natural processes, the effects can cascade across entire ecosystems, altering their balance. It is a poignant reminder that every environmental action, even one as well-intended as harnessing wind power, has far-reaching consequences. Conscious decisions made today shape a domino effect on the ecosystems we depend upon for survival. Wind farms versus other energy sources. In comparison to other energy sources, wind farms have a comparatively lower environmental footprint. Traditional energy infrastructures like coal and fossil fuels have significant harmful impacts on wildlife, including birds. It's estimated that for every bird lost to wind turbines, thousands more are lost to the effects of climate change exacerbated by fossil fuels. This comparison underscores the complexity of the clean energy discourse, urging us to weigh our choices effectively. Wind energy continues to be an integral part of transitioning away from non-renewable resources while nudging us to refine its effects on the environment. Efforts toward better coexistence. Governments, NGOs, scientists, and energy companies are teaming up to improve the coexistence of wind farms with wildlife. Collaborative strategies involve funding research, pilot studies, and public consultations to find viable solutions. The broader public is also becoming more vocal, playing a critical role in advocacy for sustainable practices. This collective endeavor highlights the dynamic relationship between society, industry, and the natural world, painting a hopeful picture of mutual understanding. Balancing progress with preservation. Striking a balance between progress and preservation is akin to a tightrope walk, involving careful deliberation. The story of wind farms and birds exemplifies the intricate dynamics inherent in modern environmental challenges. While celebrating the strides we make in green energy, we must remain wary of its adverse impacts. Encouragingly, the continuous strive for improvement serves as a testament to our willingness to harmonize progress with nature's needs. The ongoing journey towards sustainable energy emphasizes learning from our challenges and designing adaptive solutions for the future.